the just love yourself gospel. That before you can do anything else, you have to be and understand that you should love yourself before you can love God, before you can love others. Love yourself. Here's what Joyce Meyer says. She says, if you don't love yourself and value yourself, there is nothing else in your life that's going to be enjoyable or in the right order. Nothing. No enjoyment. Does that sound like the Apostle Paul? Whether I've been high or low, any circumstance, I can be content. Rejoice always. I'll say it again. Rejoice. Oh, but if you don't love yourself, you can't rejoice. Nothing will be in the right order. It means even your worship of God will be in the wrong order if you don't love yourself first.